Hey, welcome back to my studio. I'm your host Gavin. Today we're going to show you the quick unboxing video of the SmallRig clamp with the magic arm. This clamp costs about $20 US or about $29 Canadian. And the part number for this crab-shaped clamp is 3757. And now let's get to the unboxing. Alright, so if you unlock this counterclockwise, then they will just ease up the ball head, and this is just a 1/4 inch thread, so you can mount this to maybe a clamp, maybe a suction cup. Yep, and this is the clamp. The reason I picked this over the other because I like this knob, because the other one that SmallRig have is like a metal stick, but when you turn it, the stick will just go up and down, which I don't like. And this is very easy to clamp down or unclamp with the ease of use. Look at that. And that comes with a rubber so that it won't damage whatever you're trying to clamp onto. Yeah, on both sides. And there's two different threads. One is a 1/4 inch and one is a 3/8 thread. So you could use it to mount to other things as well. Overall, I really like this clamp. It's very heavy duty and it seems very doable. So I would suggest to anyone who would like to buy any clamp for multi-purpose. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.